Hello to all my friends out there. And so if any of you were following me when I lived in the old apartment, I had my shells out in the balcony, and what I really like to do with them is put them around my plants. So this is a fossil. I really love this. I won't sell it. And this is a fossil. Sometimes I burn candles in it, and I really shouldn't. So, okay, the point is every day has to be as enjoyable as you can possibly make it. And then that way your life is enjoyable as you possibly can make it. Diet, no diet, budget, no budget. Okay, now today I was good. I had my $5 budget and I bought 2 Diet Cokes. I took breaks. I was working. I was doing housework and I was working on my eBay, and I took 2 breaks. Because if you take some breaks while you're working, I think you get more done. When I used to do hair, I wouldn't suffer the same amount of fatigue because I would take breaks. You know, I usually go get a dollar hamburger and a Diet Coke. And I wouldn't rush. I would just take a nice lunch. And I never got sick, and I never got really wiped out. Okay, so I bought, I think it was yesterday, I bought Diet Coke. Because I know, I'm going to want to drink some Diet Coke. Okay, now on my $5 day, that counts everything. That counts gas, that counts food, that counts everything. So some days it's possible I might go over my budget. But you know what happens? You just get good at staying within the $5. I have done this before, believe it or not. Uh-oh, I have too much ice in there. And then, I have water because when you're on a diet, you want to drink plenty of fluids, especially a low-carb diet. Okay, so now, and this is some tea I made, regular tea from Dollar Tree. 4 cups is 4 cents. And I have all different kinds of water. Okay, so now one good thing about the low-carb diet is it doesn't involve very much cooking. You don't want to be cooking a lot of fattening food because you're on a diet. And so today is the end of day 2. And I haven't been perfect on my diet, but I've been much better than when I wasn't on the diet. I forgot to get a plate. Okay, so I really kind of need to have a salad because I need to eat my romaine lettuce before it goes down south. But I don't want too much lettuce because that's going to make me suffer. So tonight I will have a tasty salad. Not too much lettuce, not too much vegetables, because if I do, then I'm going to be hating life. And I have one more day to the diet. Okay, the Vienna sausages and eggs was a highly successful meal because the only thing I've eaten today is some corn nuts and some sunflower seeds. And those taste really good when you can't have any bread or anything like that. Technically, those would probably be considered cheating. But, I'm just not willing to make myself miserable under any circumstances at this age. For all I know, I could be one of those people who only lives until I was 70, if I was lucky even. Of all the lettuce, probably romaine is up there. Okay, and so I bought carrots at Walmart. The carrots were really reasonable price. So I had this thing, and it was by when you make your salads, just have 3 vegetables. That's good enough. So you might be saying, well, why did you buy 2 Diet Cokes when you have all kinds of Coke at home? Well, I'll tell you why. Because the Coke at home isn't as good as the Coke at McDonald's. There's this one McDonald's that I really, really hate. I have to be honest about this. It's horrible. They have a security guard in there. You know, it's so bad. But their Diet Coke is never flat. I could tell you horror stories about. They never turn the Wi-Fi off. They never do like these annoying things. And so, you know, but it's in, like, it's not very close to the house. But, and it is my favorite one. And there's a good gas station. Now, this is a crazy thing. Okay, that good gas station, I've gone there for like 20 years and they have never given me a problem. Never. I give them the money. They give me the gas. The clerks are sweet. Not so much. So what I do to the gas stations that I don't like, and anything I don't like, I spend very little money. Very little money. As little as I possibly can. And then I just wait until I get to a nicer air place, and then, you know, I spend more money. So I bought tomatoes. I thought it was about 6 tomatoes for $1. I like these tomatoes because I don't like my tomatoes mushy. That's one thing I just really, really don't like. So I'll have a whole tomato. I'm not having any salad dressing because I'm on a diet. You know, I have to sacrifice a little bit here and a little bit there. So, you know, if I eat a few corn nuts, it's not going to be the end of the world because, you know, I'm saving calories on the diet days. Tomorrow, I don't find this diet as bad as some of the diets I have done that you guys have witnessed as well. Okay, I bought this turkey at Aldi's. I find this stuff to be good. I keep forgetting. I bought some for me and some for the dog, and I keep forgetting to give some to the dog. Today I posted cute pictures of the dog on the Instagram. You know, the last 2 trips he took, one was to the dog groomer, and one was to he went to the vet. And he got a flea pill, and he looks so funny, like, what are you doing to me? But he got to go to the park, so, you know. I find this turkey to be good from Aldi's. I have ham that I bought at Aldi's, too, that I found to be, I just want a little pile of, this could be canned chicken or canned ham or canned turkey. You guys have never tried this. Okay, that's enough. And then I bought cottage cheese for $1. And then let's see, I have a choice. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, jalapeno jack. I don't think you can really, yeah, you can beat this deal. I think you get 10 ounces from Aldi's. I was going to say, I don't think, but if you eat cheese, okay, since I have a lot of turkey, I only need 1 slice of cheese. If you eat cheese on your salads that aren't having any salad dressing, that is really going to help. It really is. You could fry Spam and make the salad exactly the same way, and any 3 vegetables is fine. So, you know, I have the protein in the I have the protein in the cottage cheese. I have the protein in the turkey. So I'm not going to freak out too much without any carbs. I'm not going to freak out at all. Only one more day of this and then you can pretty much stand anything for 3 days. I found that out when I was on the veggie diet. I found that much harder to tolerate. Okay, so now I have a little yogurt left. I gotta get more yogurt tomorrow. It won't wreck my budget though, because I get this one from Aldi's for 39 cents. If I didn't have cottage cheese, I would go get some. Because I will be up late tonight working, so, I don't. And I have a couple fudgesicles left. This fruit is pretty good, you guys. If you've never tried it, it comes from Walmart. It's $1.18. If you are, watching your carbs, a little low-carb salad dressing is not going to hurt. But I have experience on the low-carb diet, and I have found out what happens is you get very, very sick of all of the food, that you can have. And so then that's when you get in danger, big danger of big cheats on your diet. So you got to watch that. Okay, now I also have 2 fudgesicles left. And I found the Kool-Aid popsicles to be better for me for sitting around at night. So this is a pretty good little, low calorie. I bought the I don't limit salt and pepper. I mean, when you don't have salad dressing, you need salt and pepper. So I don't limit the salt and pepper. I don't limit any of the beverages either. So I won't be suffering too much tonight. And then tomorrow, okay, now tomorrow is the last day. So the last day is always easiest. For me, the worst day is the first day. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.